Why does your scanner show the P0252 engine code? What does it mean? P0252 is a diagnostic trouble code for injection pump fuel metering control, a range or performance issue. This engine code indicates that the PCM did not receive a signal from the injection pump fuel metering control valve. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty fuel injection pump, wiring problems, PCM issues, fuel injection pump actuator failure, clogged fuel filter, fuel pump relay failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can typically appear in diesel-powered vehicles across various makes and models, including Ford, Chevy, GMC, Ram, Mercedes-Benz, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.